Okay, family, Tanya here. This is the day in the life of a personal concierge. And the first thing you do when you come into a property is you take inventory, you take video of what it looks like when you walk in each time. And because there's construction going on, people are coming through looking, like realtors are coming through. So, and then there's some construction going on. So I'm going to have to do this. There's some paint and a little debris in this bathtub. So I'm going to have to do that today. And, you know, people are using it. And so I'll clean that today. And this is my cleaning caddy. It's kind of junky right now, but I usually have a side of my caddy all kitchen items, and then I'll have a side for all bathroom items. And in my heyday, I would just have one caddy for the kitchen and one caddy for the bathroom, but you know, we don't need to do all that. And so this is an older unit that's in a high demand area and hot zip code. So they're waiting, you know, people are waiting for people to sell or to pass on. And so you just try to keep it make it as up to date as possible. I'm going to have to do these mirrors. I had these mirrors perfect. And so I guess people coming through washing their hands. So I'm going to have to do that again. And we're here waiting on junk removal to take away the bags, the light. I can't turn the light on here. So I'm just removing any leftover stuff. Everything looks good. Another bathroom. Just might have to touch this up a little bit, put a little bit more shine on it. There I am, dressed and ready to go. So you just take a record. Make sure there's been no damage since you were here last, because people will try to blame you. Okay. And we're going to go down to the kitchen, and then we'll start working. I don't want to catch hubby. Hubby didn't ask to be a YouTuber. He's down there getting stuff done, so. Hey guys, this is the importance of doing a walkthrough every time, because I was cleaning this powder room and I found a leak in the toilet. So you just have to take notes of everything and just let the responsible parties know what's going on. Okay, so that's what's going on in the life of a personal concierge. All right, so I'm still just purging things. I'm gonna do touch up all the bathrooms in the kitchen again. I'm gonna vacuum again, but people are going to be walking through messing it up. But you know, this will be my final responsibility. Let's see. We're waiting on so I'm getting stuff done. So I'm waiting on the junk removal guys to come. They're going to pick up like 12 bags of stuff. All right, so that's why we're here today. And that's why we get paid the big bucks. So good to have a hubby that can fix things. He's always been able to fix things. And I'm sorry, I'm eating carrots and hummus. When we first got married, he finished our basement, put all the drywall up, carpet, everything. Right in the middle of him painting, I was cleaning this bathroom and I noticed the leak. And so he moved from that to trying to fix this leak in the toilet. So, you know, there's a lot to be done in these move-out cleans. He's out in the truck now. Sorry, I found it. Still have the piano. That's the only furniture left. See, the realtor's been here. So they got paperwork in there. And so they'll be turning on the faucets and stuff. So I'm going to clean it one last time, shine it up one last time. And that's it. Been here an hour. We still got the bags out there to get. I mean, the junk removal people. That's why we are here, waiting on them. We're always on time. Other people are never on time. I'm going to have to vacuum this floor again. There, hubby running around. Okay, so that's it. Powder room. Have to just shine this up a bit. Next time I do one of these, I'll do the before. And because it's like major changes. I took one of these from my home because since people are coming in and out the carpet and everything, so I just put one of these at the door from our house. Okay, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. It's kind of boring right now. It's because it's early. It's like 7 in the morning. 7 in the morning. And I'm not drinking coffee anymore. I just had water and I'm eating some. Here's my little station here. And I'm cleaning out and I'm eating at the same time. So sometimes that's what you got to do. So, all right, guys, thank you so much. I appreciate your support and I appreciate you looking at my series of Day in the Life of a Personal Concierge. I was asked, what do I do for a living? And at this point in my life, this is it. Okay, guys, see you in my next video. Bye. Bye, Mom.